Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about these two setups right here and the trade that I have right now. Okay, so I feel like this is something that happened, it's been happening more consistent, and this is just news. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the market, you're gonna see something like this and you're gonna be, oh my god, this is insane, what happens and how does this happen? How to trade this, I learned from Andy Peters. It's a trader that has been trading for years now. He's got results. Okay, and he always says that you have to close in the gap. So this is basically news, right? Look at the pattern. Okay, so this is Friday 4 p.m. So market closed right here. Okay, market closed probably over the weekend. Trump announced some news and it was not great news. So market created this gap right here all the way to this level of demand on the left. All right, if we go to probably the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna see this level of demand right here. Okay, right here, and this is my basically my guide, all right, to trade. This is my principles to trade. So we basically have this level of demand right here and one level of another demand right here. So once Friday closed, we gapped down all the way over here to this level of demand, and one thing that we got to do is close in the gap. We got to close this gap. All right, this works also for stocks, is the same thing. So easiest buy ever, wait for the gap to be closed, gap closed, the game keeps going. So this is Sunday night. We go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Trump again announced some news. See, we're holding up this level of support. So I had a couple of trades around here, but I was feeling like something was going to happen. Either we're going to break below this level of demand or we were going to shoot up. But on Friday, I decided not to trade not to trade gold. Actually, I trade the other pairs, but not to trade gold. And once I saw this happening, it was just like, I was completely shocked, because you have 1, 2, 3 candles that basically moved close to, well, not close to 105 points. All right, that is insane for 3 hours candles. Okay, so again, you made a new high. What do you expect? A drop. Okay, you expect price to make a correction. We have to, what comes up must come down. So right around 48.70, this is when I decided to basically I had the choice to either enter with Excel or not, and I decided not to enter because I didn't know what would happen. But we closed right around here, 48.30. This is the beginning of the gap, and then of course this is when Trump announced some other news that was not great news, and market just boom created this gap. Now I first entered a position yesterday night right around here. I had buys around here, and I basically got stopped out, right below this level right here. And if we pay attention to this, it's the same move as the left. We push down, right? We push down right here. This is just a liquidity sweep. We're going to take out some orders. We're going to eliminate everyone in the market. We're going to enter for buys, and price just going to shoot up. So I had another buy. I entered again at the same level, around the 47.70 something. That's when I entered. And then, of course, I closed at around 4800s. All right. And then this morning again, I took like probably 6 other positions around this level. And this was my last trade. I already closed this trade, but this is the whole move that I was planning on basically hold it. But since I already had a pretty much very, very good day, I basically had a risk-free trade right here, so I just decided to close. But what I want to talk about in the video is just this. It's probably going to happen again, and I just want to make sure that the next time this happens, I know what I'm doing and I know how to control the risk on something like this. Even though I ended up the day very, very positive, profit wise, I don't feel like I took good trades. Okay. And I don't want to, well, this is me personally, I don't want to be holding up a trade that I'm uncertain, right? I don't want to be holding up a trade that I'm just not certain if the trade is going to go in my favor or if the trade is just, going to reverse on me. So a lot of volatility going around, and this is the best time for me to protect my risk and protect my trades. So gap is not closed yet, like this right here. This will be the low, probably the low of the gap. So I feel like we gotta close just like this. So we've got to break 48.31, and if we break 48.31, we would probably see this break of this high, not the break of the high, but trading on this high right here. All right. This is gold. Again, if Trump gives us bad news, gold pushes down. Friday, so this is what happens. Thursday, gold pushes down. Thursday, gold has been pushing down. Friday is probably another day with a lot of volatility, but Friday we usually move higher. Depending on Thursday and Friday, Sunday night open gives us a lot of volatility. All right, so this is what I'm saying. This is Thursday. Okay, Thursday right here. Wednesday, Thursday we pushed higher, made a new high. Boom, started to make a little correction, pushed higher again on Friday, and then started to make another low right here. We closed, probably bad news, gap down. Sunday to Monday, we push higher. Thursday, we go low. See, Wednesday we make a high, Thursday we go low, stabilize, then boom, Friday we go higher. Some bad news happens, boom, we push lower. Sunday, Monday we push higher. So this is the same pattern that has been happening for weeks now, weeks. Right here, Tuesday, Wednesday we push higher, and then Wednesday we correct, Thursday. So we just got to keep following the same momentum. If we push lower on Thursday, Friday we're going to push higher. Probably going to happen a correction. Sunday we push higher. Okay, so these are the things that you have to keep tracking the market for you to make better decisions as well. You just got to add it up and then making sure that the risk is very, very well managed. All right, so this is just my video on gold. I just want to document this that has been happening over and over, and of course talk about my trades. Very good day today. Very happy about the results. Not very happy about the trades that I took itself because of the loss right here, and because I just want to make sure that I have an A+ setup every time, and not just, okay, the market is going up because of this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.